Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams TV, where we're here to unlock the secrets that will help you capture the heart you desire. Have you found yourself striving for that special someone, only to find your efforts falling short? If you're seeking a foolproof method to make the person of your dreams pursue you, then this video is tailor-made for you. We're about to reveal the strategies that ignite deep attraction and interest. Stay tuned to uncover the techniques that will have them eagerly chasing after you. 1. Embrace the thrill of being a challenge. A surefire technique to make someone pursue you is to become an intriguing challenge. Rather than making it effortless for them to get what they want, become the treasure that's a bit harder to attain. People inherently value what requires effort to obtain. Don't be too quick to respond and don't always be at their beck and call. Allow your own life and interests to shine, making them want to pursue you even more. Challenge their ideas respectfully. Show that you're confident in your beliefs and let them witness your independence. 2. Master the art of effortlessness. One of the most potent ways to attract someone is by emanating an air of effortlessness. While you should express your interest, avoid coming off as desperate or needy. Strike the balance between being assertive and maintaining a bit of mystery. Demonstrate confidence without overwhelming affection. Showcase your independence by focusing on your passions and aspirations. 3. Don't tolerate disrespect. If you find yourself wondering why they aren't chasing you, it could be because you're tolerating unacceptable behavior. Establish your boundaries early on and stand firm. Address canceled plans or no-shows assertively. By valuing yourself, you convey the message that you demand respect. Remember, you deserve nothing less than admiration. 4. Communicate moderately. While staying in touch is crucial, bombarding them with excessive messages can be counterproductive. Balance your communication by initiating purposeful conversations, but avoid overwhelming them. Create an aura of intrigue by allowing gaps between interactions. Remember, you want them to chase you, not the other way around. 5. Lead the way. Taking the initiative in the relationship is captivating. Display decisiveness and confidence by planning dates and suggesting activities. Strive for a balance between assertiveness and respect for their choices. By guiding the relationship, you create a sense of security that paves the path for genuine connection. 6. Craft unforgettable experiences. Keep their interest alive by ensuring they have a great time when they're with you. Tailor activities to their interests, both simple and extravagant. Be fully present, engage in the moment, and relish each other's company. Prioritize their happiness and watch them find the irresistible urge to chase after you. As we conclude this engaging journey, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to you. Thank you for being a part of Achieve Your Dreams TV, where we empower you to make your dreams a captivating reality. Remember, the key to capturing hearts lies in being the person worth chasing after.